Chapter 4 Templates. In this module we will explain to you how to use the MT4 templates. By using templates, you can create visual representation of charts that may contain graphical indicators, objects, colour and time frame chart settings. The database of MT4 contains several default templates, for example. In order to use a template, right-click and select one from the list. If you want to know what a specific template contains, right-click the chart to see the Indicators and the Objects list. For example, this template consists of a moving average indicator and an average directional movement index. You may, of course, create your own custom template as well. First, you need to decide what the template should include. For example, let's start from a plain chart. Supposing that you want to include the moving average and the parabolic stop and reverse in this chart. You must double-click the indicator to attach it to the chart. Following this, the moving average indicator will be displayed on the chart. Now let's take a different indicator, for example the parabolic stop and reverse, and attach it to the chart. Now let's add an object to the chart. For example, you can select the vertical line from the top menu and set it to the 9th of March, 5 AM, to indicate that the price started to fall. After this, the custom template must be saved by right-clicking inside the chart window, selecting Templates, then Save Template, and placing it in the default folder. It is also possible to attach the same template to a different chart window. To do so, simply right-click a symbol from the Market Watch window, for example, Australian dollar, US dollar, and select Chart Window from the drop-down menu. After this, right-click inside the new chart window and select Template, then Load Template. Now you can see your custom saved template on the list. Alternatively, you can find your custom template on the list of the drop-down menu. Remember that if you save your template by the name Default, it will be automatically applied to every new chart opened. Now you can see that your custom template has been automatically applied to all your new charts. Thank you for watching.